Hello guys, my name is Matthew and I'll show you today in today's video how you can change the picture on in your Pinterest app. First of all, what we want to do, we want to go to the bottom right corner, click Saved, and as you can see among all the saves we made on this new account I created just for this reason. Yeah, I chose to go like this. Top right corner, there's this little hexagon. We press on the hexagon, and what about now? If you want to switch a picture, we go to Edit Profile, and there's this circle with a plus inside, and we click on the plus. You can take a photo, or pick from a camera roll. Well, let's go for take a photo, and I'll show you with my camera. Yeah, let's go like this. Use this photo, and all of a sudden you see it's done. It's just my floor, but it works perfectly fine for anything else. If you want to, if you are happy with it, press done. And as you can see, the profile is updated. Well, it will be when the photo gets downloaded and all the stuff. Well, thanks for watching.